lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited to have you here. In today's video, I'll be installing this Outre Perfect Hairline in the style Geneva. This is how the wig looks straight out of the package, and this is the inside cap construction of the wig with the pre-attached elastic band. And off camera, I applied my foundation over my lace. I did go in and touch up on the hairline by plucking it to my likings. I will then be cutting the lace into 3 sections, then clip the hair up, cut out the ear tafts to help the wig lay flatter. I do have a big head and this wig fitted perfectly with no complaints, so if you have a big head, this is big head friendly. And for the adhesive, I'm using a mold and hold hairspray. You'll be seeing me spray the adhesive on my fingers and then applying it to the hairline because the nozzle on my spray is broken and this is the only way the adhesive comes out. And as always, the longer you want your unit to stay on, the more layers you'll apply. I am using my blow dryer on cool to dry the adhesive. I'll then take the front section of the lace and press it down while using my blow dryer to help dry it. Next, I'll move on to the other sections of the hair and apply more molding spray over the hairline and then wrap it up and blow dry. Next, while I'm giving the lace a little bit more time to dry, I'll start defining my middle part just to make the process a little quicker. I'll then go over the middle parting with the wax stick and then press down the parting space with the hot comb. Next, I'll then split the hair into small sections and start pressing down the roots till I reach the top. I'm not running the hot comb all the way through so that it doesn't drop the curls. To seal everything, I'll be spraying some spritz over the parting and running the hot comb through one more time. Next, to define the part even more, I'll go over the middle and pull out small pieces of the hair. After taking the band off, it's already given a melted look. For the lace, I like to take my time and cut off the extra lace in the front section with an eyebrow razor.
Be ready to touch when I reach it. I go eat it up, I don't begin. I make that thing go wild. I go make that thing run water. I go make you sing my song.
Next, I'll apply more holding spray around the hairline and use my blow dryer and rat tail comb to press down the lace. For my edges, I like to pull out small sections and around my ears and pluck out the area to thin it out.
How you keep it sweet like that, like that. Not a berry piece like that, like that. Fresher than Febreze like that. I be me on my knees for that. You touch my soul instantly. I touch your feet different way. Everything you need, no cap. Tell me when you need tap tap. I make that thing go wild. I go make that thing run water. I go make you sing my song. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed.
Once that's done, I'll cut them at an angle and use my Got2b gel and edge brush to lay the edges and wrap it up. Now the wrapping it up is optional. I just like a melted look, so I am going to wrap it up.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time.
I'll then lightly comb out the curls and all the shedding hair from the bottom to the top. I'll then use my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in shade 16 to enhance the parting to look like scalp. This is the finished product and I love this look. It's given Black Barbie. For the final step, I just went ahead and cut more layers to frame my face, and I love the final outcome of it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you dearlies.